Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make Whataburger creamy pepper sauce. Hit it. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us though, please do me a favor, head down to that corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload new content. Alright, so we're going to make Whataburger creamy pepper sauce. Let's drop down here, see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of canned chipotle peppers with the sauce, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and a tablespoon of onion powder. I will leave all that in the description box so you can see how to make this and what ingredients you're going to need. Right now, let's start mixing this up. Alright, as always, get a bowl big enough for all your ingredients. We're going to come starting with the mayonnaise, the mustard, straight French's mustard, a little bit of the vinegar, lemon juice, the chipotle with the sauce, salt, pepper, paprika, or paprika, whatever you want to call it, and then the onion. And we're basically just going to mix this all up. I guess they use this on their patty melt. I have never been to a Whataburger, but this is the sauce that supposedly goes on the patty melt, and I'm sure it's a dipping sauce for French fries upon request as well. But I'm gonna mix this up. We're gonna plate it up, make it look pretty, do a photo shoot, put some groovy music with that on the timeline, and then we're gonna come back and give this a taste. Enjoy the music and enjoy the pictures. Sauce. I've got no chicken strips, French fries. I don't have a patty melt either to taste this. I didn't think about buying some chicken tenders or something to dip in here, but I got some crackers. So that's what it looks like. It's rich and creamy, just like the name. Oh, this is really good. It's got a little bit of heat in there, a little bit of sweetness, and a little bit of acidity with that lemon juice. I'm really going to hold on to this recipe. That's got lemon is in there more, the vinegar, yep, really good. I'm going to keep this one close by next time I make some hamburgers and give it a try. Whataburger sauce, creamy pepper sauce from Whataburger. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below, and most of all, make sure you share this with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.